In this video, I will show how to create tree map in Microsoft Excel. So, if you need this type of chart, select your data. Then here click on Insert. Then click on this drop down. In this list, select this tree map and click on OK. You can adjust the size, color, style. You can add some elements or you can remove. Then you can change style. You can add name for this chart. So this way you can create tree map chart in Excel. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.